In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate macros in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a dynamic presentation or automating repetitive tasks, activating macros in PowerPoint can significantly boost your efficiency and creativity. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you have everything set up perfectly. First, we'll start with enabling the Developer tab, which is necessary since it contains all the tools you need to work with macros. Begin by opening PowerPoint. This might sound straightforward, but it's essential to start on the right page. Once PowerPoint is open, look at the top menu bar and click on File. This will bring down a menu, choose Options here. Clicking Options will open a new window aptly called the PowerPoint Options window. Now, within the PowerPoint Options window, keep an eye out for an option labeled Customize Ribbon on the left side. Clicking this will show you a pane on the right where you'll see a list of main tabs available. What we're interested in is a box next to Developer. Go ahead and check that box. If the box is already checked, you can skip this part, but it's typically not default, so ensure it's activated. Once confirmed, simply click OK at the bottom of this window to apply these changes. With this, your Developer tab should now be visible along the top ribbon of PowerPoint, giving you access to many advanced features, including macros. Moving on, now that the Developer tab is at your disposal, we need to enable macros themselves. Click on the newly visible Developer tab on the ribbon to reveal its options. In the section categorized under Code, you'll see an option called Macro Security. Clicking there will open the Trust Center window. In the Trust Center window, you'll be faced with a few choices regarding macro settings. The recommended option for most users is to select Disable all macros with notification. This choice means PowerPoint won't automatically run any macros, but will prompt you when a file containing them is opened, giving you the control to enable them on a case-by-case basis. If you're in an environment where you trust all sources of macros, you might consider Enable all macros. However, this is not generally recommended because it poses security risks by allowing every macro to run without oversight. Once you've selected your preferred setting, go ahead and click OK to save your choice, and there you have it. With these steps completed, your PowerPoint is now set up to handle macros according to your preferred security settings, providing you both functionality and peace of mind. So, dive in and start exploring the powerful world of macros to enhance your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.